Today we again present with a new question of C programming. Question is write a program to check if a number is divisible by 2 or not. In this video we cover these questions with explanation in C programming. So hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 Code. My name is Sonu Sagar. So let's start. So firstly we open our VS Code editor. In VS Code, first create a new file. Here firstly include header files. For this question we only need one header file, which is studio.h. After this, void main function, within curly braces write a code of our problem. So our problem is write a program to check if a number is divisible by 2 or not. So first we create int data type variable, that name is n. So declare it and store value by user. So for user we print a message using printf function, that enter n value, and after it when user enter n value, then using a scanf I store that value in n variable. So here n variable is int data type. For int we use %d format specifier. Here use ampersand for send that value in variable. So we complete this. Now we need to check that entered value is divisible by 2 or not, and print that true or false. Here using printf function, here enter value is here %d, entered value, that means n. Entered value is stored in n variable. So here use n modulo equal to 0. Entered value of user is divisible by 2, or when it not equal to 0, then entered value by user is not divisible by 2. Give semicolon. So run this code. Enter value. When we enter 10, then your enter value is 1. 1 it means true. Your value is divisible by 2. When we enter any odd number, your enter value is 0. That means your entered value is not divisible by 2. It is simple program to check your entered value is divisible by 2 or not. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it and hit bell icon. We meet again in next video. Thank you.